Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you all are doing well. This is Kanchana, your art teacher. Today I am going to take the class of pencil shading. I have made few samples. One and this is one more and this is one more. So stay home, stay safe. Do some crafts, do some art in the home. Today I'll pick this drawing and we are going to learn this drawing. So let's start our class. This fruit, I'm going to start with the basic shape. So here I am going to draw the circle and here I am going to draw one more circle. So here to here I will connect. And here I'll do the stem. First I'll erase the unwanted line. So now we can see the perfect fruit shape. I'll draw the lines. So here we'll start our shading. Come closer. So here we are going to follow three methods of the shading. First is dark tone and the second one is medium tone and the third one is light tone. Dark tone, medium tone and the light tone. To do this activity we need one chart paper and pencil, eraser and one earbud. So after drawing the shade we are going to make it little darker. Always start your shading with the light tone. Then we'll go for the medium tone. After that we are going to do the dark tone. Always don't forget to leave the highlight because highlight and these three tones will make the object 3D. Otherwise it will become 2D and the object will look flat. So here also I am going to, after the dark tone again I'll do the medium tone. Then the light tone. This tone will continue till here. And here medium tone and the dark tone. Here light tone because this tone is just beside the highlight. We have after the highlight we must make only light tone. So these tones I am going to merge with the earbud. I am going to use this bud. You can use your finger also. I am blending the pencil tones like this. I'm going to add more dark color in it. And here I'm going to make the shadow. And we are going to fill the background only because here is a light tone. This side will make it dark tone and this side will make it light tone. Are you seeing I am following the same strokes and I am doing in the same direction? So here we will make light tone. Are you able to see the difference? This is the dark tone, this is the light tone. So here again I am going to use the brush to merge the shading. After that we are going to make the outline of the picture properly. So here our picture is. I'll tell you few more steps again. First we are going to make a circle. We are going to start our drawing with the basic shape. After that we'll connect this small circle to the big circle. After that we are going to make the stem. We are going to erase the unwanted lines. Here the perfect shape of pear fruit. Then here the dark tone, here the medium tone, here the dark tone and the medium tone and the light tone. So we start our shading with the light tone, then we'll go to the medium tone, then we'll go to the dark tone. After that we are going to use the earbud or we are going to use the finger and we are going to merge the shading. So here our art is. So before to the next class, you all are going to make 3 samples. You all are going to make 3 samples. I have made three samples for you, and you are going to make 3 more samples for me, and you are going to get it in the reopening day. Thank you.